Pardon the wind, but of course something else broke. As you can probably tell, the alternator put in its 2 weeks notice. Sure am happy about that. Alright, let's get the alternator off. And it shouldn't be that hard because it's only held on by a few bolts and just those two things plug in at the top, so it should be nice and simple. Yeah. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. There's that bolt. Hold on. I needed a little more leverage. This is the bigger one in the set. Note to self, this goes behind there. Okay? Alright, it's out. I had a little help, but still real simple. And now there's a big hole in the front of the car. So yeah, that should be fun to replace. Alright. Back from the parts store. That was expensive. But it should just go right back in. And I did disconnect the battery, if you must know. Apologies if the video does seem a bit short. I didn't waffle as much. I did have some help, and it's kind of awkward to film with help going on, as well as narrating. It's just not a thing I do with other people in proximity. But yeah, that was actually surprisingly easy. Expensive because of this new alternator, but still pretty easy. There's only a couple of bolts. The only fiddly bit is getting the tensioner part screwed back onto the back of that. If you can see that. Other than that, though, this was really easy. Now, only time will tell if this will be a lasting fix or if it'll only be another week until something else decides to call it quits. Yeah, I'll be honest. My next vehicle, it will certainly be a Toyota. But for now, this will be fine. Oh well. It ran, it didn't overheat, it didn't have other issues. It didn't say that the battery was not being charged, so I'm going to assume that it's fixed for now.